Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of worthy: having or showing the qualities or abilities that merit recognition in a specified way. For example, issues worthy of further consideration. American pronunciation: worthy, worthy. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Worthy. Say, worthy. Worthy means having or showing qualities or abilities that merit recognition in specified way. Worthy. Worthy. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. We sinned gravely and are not worthy to be called bishops. Now, repeat after me. We sinned gravely and are not worthy to be called bishops. The second practice. I will see if I am truly worthy to be called a hero or not. Now, repeat after me. I will see if I am truly worthy to be called a hero or not.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.